Hey, it's Neil Napier here again. You have already made a smart decision by investing in OmniMint AI. Right now, you have everything you need to create professional multi-platform businesses and start capturing this massive opportunity. But with one key limitation, you're still working with set limits. What if you didn't have to? Imagine this. You wake up, check your phone, and see notifications from 20 different businesses all running simultaneously. A book marketing toolkit for authors, a real estate tool for agents, an e-commerce suite for store owners, a fitness content engine for coaches, each one building authority, capturing customers, and generating revenue while you sleep. That's $15,000 or more in monthly recurring revenue, all running on autopilot for you. Now, the OmniMint license you just grabbed is powerful, really powerful. But here's what I've learned after helping thousands of entrepreneurs build successful online businesses. The ones who scale fastest, the ones who hit $10, $20, even $50,000 per month, they're all doing one thing differently. They remove friction before it becomes a problem. See, here's what typically happens. You're going to launch your products using OmniMint. You're going to create your first new business and they will look amazing. Customers will start saying yes. Then something exciting will happen. Demand will explode. Suddenly you've got 5, 10, 15 potential clients all ready to pay you $2,000 or even $5,000 per setup. My friend, this is the moment most people dream about, but it's also the moment where most people hit an invisible barrier they didn't even know was there. See, you got to create that 11th business and you are at your limit. You want to scale your successful business beyond 100 customers and then you need to upgrade. But here's the painful part. I've watched brilliant entrepreneurs turn away $1,500 a month clients because they didn't have the capacity to serve them. Not because they couldn't do the work, but because they were working within limits that weren't built for scale. That's exactly why we are offering you OmniMint Unlimited. Now look, here's what most people don't understand about how the biggest software companies actually make money. Let me give you a couple of examples. Microsoft didn't build one massive platform. They built Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Teams, Outlook, OneNote, each solving one specific problem. Adobe didn't build one tool. They built Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, After Effects, Lightroom, Acrobat. Now, having said that, you're not trying to become Microsoft. What you're doing is you're copying their business model before they were big. They built a portfolio of focused solutions, and that structure is now accessible to you with the unlimited upgrade. Here's why this matters. Every business you build is another way customers discover you. Someone searching for a fitness meal planner finds your specialized tool, not your generic platform. If one business has a bad month, your other businesses keep revenue flowing. One niche gets saturated, no worries, you're already building in 3 other verticals. See, most businesses don't work on the first try. The niche you think will succeed often isn't the one that actually takes off. With limited business setup, you get limited shots at winning. With Unlimited, you test until you strike gold. And here's what nobody talks about. Portfolios don't just increase the upside, they also reduce the downside. When you have one business and it fails, you have nothing left. When you have 10 businesses and 7 fail, you still have 3 generating revenue. Your customers who buy one business, well, you can sell them complementary businesses. That's how Microsoft went from $100 a year to $2,400 per year per customer. See, your current package is built for testing, it's not built for scaling. Right now, you have a business limitation, you have a limited number of AI modules, and you have 100 customers per business capacity, you have 3 templates, and then you might end up paying some fee after you hit your first $50,000 in revenue. Now, this is perfect for experimentation, but when opportunity knocks, you will hit 3 hard ceilings. First, portfolio size. You can't test business number 11 without deleting one of your existing businesses. Second, lack of customer growth. When your business starts working and you hit customer number 101, growth stops dead. Third is revenue success. At 100K revenue, you've paid $5,000 in fees additionally. At 250K revenue, you paid $20,000. At 500K revenue, you paid $45,000. Success becomes expensive. This is where the unlimited license makes all the difference. Plus, you can serve unlimited customers instead of 100 customers per business. There's no ceiling. Plus, you also unlock all 4,500 AI modules instead of the ones that you got in OmniMint AI. On top of all this, you can also do custom module creation. You can build features no competitors can replicate. Every real estate business has property description writers. With custom modules, you build comparative market analysis generator that only your business has. And again, remember, 0 platform fee instead of 10% after 50K. So this way you don't pay any success fee in the future. Plus, you also unlock with this license AI-powered generators for logos, names, privacy policies, app store descriptions, terms and conditions, and icons. You can launch 10 businesses in 45 minutes instead of paying $3,000 to $5,000 for manual branding. And you also unlock an extended 7-day training focused on portfolio strategy instead of just launching one business. The decision comes down to this. Are you building a portfolio business or are you testing one business idea? If you're building a portfolio, unlimited is not an upgrade, it's structural alignment. Plus, of course, you're always getting the money back guarantee. You can build your portfolio, you can test unlimited businesses, you can scale past 100 customers, you can build custom modules, do all of this. If you don't see that unlimited is right for you, you can reach out to us and ask for a full refund. Now look, the real decision that you're making today is this. I'm not asking you to spend more money. I'm asking you to choose between two business models. Model number one is where you can experiment, you're limited in terms of revenue you can make. And model number two is where you can build unlimited businesses. There's no customer limit. You keep 100% of the revenue. You scale winners without ceilings. The revenue potential with unlimited is a lot higher. See, Microsoft chose model number two. Adobe chose model number two. Every successful software company builds portfolios, not single products. If you're building a portfolio, unlimited is not optional. This is how you remove the ceiling. So click the button below, upgrade to OmniMint Unlimited. Your unlimited future is waiting, and we are here to help you get there.